Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you don't miss any of our videos. And for some time when we put out videos, we are online and we tend to answer all your queries. And today we are going to talk about that if you are a first generation lawyer, if you are a first lawyer from the family, then what are the things that you should keep in mind? So this is the first part of the video. Today we are going to talk about first generation lawyer and things that you should do. Next week on Sunday we're going to have the second part of the video up, so do check out the channel. So what does a non-first generation lawyer has? Now we're going to simply sit down and think कि क्या क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं कि जो first generation के lawyer नहीं हैं उनको क्या क्या मिलता है, right? Let's see. They have an office. Okay, they do not have to build an office. They have clients, they have briefs, and they have an experienced person to guide them. Okay, a face value, that is what they have. Now look, it is, you know what you should think if you are a first generation lawyer, that if you are a first generation lawyer, if this is, you know, a ladder, if you have to build a ladder, then you have to put these two dandas and then you have to put every danda by yourself. Like you have to put in this and you'll step and you'll be on the top, right? So this is what, yes, unko bahut help milti hai, yes, but when you build it on your own, the fun is all the more. Remember, when you celebrate all these steps of ladder, when you put one by one all these steps of ladder, you're going to enjoy it more because you know you have done it by yourself. So yeah, that is what you should keep in mind if you're a first generation lawyer, number one. And number two, so everyone, you know, after some time, even the first generation lawyers tend to have their own offices, they build their own clientage, which we always tell you how to build your own clientage. We even tell you how to go independent and how to make sure that your clients have done so many videos on that. An experienced person to guide. You have Logiri with you. Aren't we telling you everything? We recently did a video how to keep a check on your munshi, how to make sure that the munshi doesn't bullies you. We did a video how to, you know, charge fees and make sure that the client that you are dealing with is retained in your office, right? All these things are told by the experienced person. So we are that auntie or uncle that you need. Can you say Logiri is that auntie or uncle? So you have this already. Let's cross this and let's talk about the face value. Guys, when you appear in the court, and you argue well, you follow the instructions that we have told you in how to argue and how to make notes and argue the case. If you follow that, guys, you will have your face value, your own face value in front of the judges. The judges would know that this kid, this lawyer, this advocate, this young beginner lawyer is very good and knows the facts of the law. So when you create this all by yourself, you have your own face value, right? तो आपको judges पहचानने लग जाते हैं कि yes, this person is well prepared. So you need to be always well prepared. You need to be always well prepared. If you are well prepared, you will have your own face value. Okay, so now what you should do, should you be jealous of a person who is not a first generation lawyer? Most of you might be. You should not be. What you should do, all the things, having an office, building a clientage, having briefs to work on, building a face value, this should be your to-do list. This should be your to-do list. You know, there are a lot many people who come to me that how should we get motivated in our beginning years? 3 to 5 years ki motivation chahiye if you want to go for litigation, or even if you want to flourish in a good legal job. If you're not from a good, like if you don't begin with a top law firm, right, you need 3 to 5 years to flourish, right? So your to-do list, this should be your to-do list. Especially for litigation people, this should be your to-do list. That I'm networking. Now, as I said that you need a clientage, yes, you need clients, you need briefs to work on. Then only you will be able to show that yes, you can be a good lawyer, you can argue well, you can draft well, you can research how to have a good networking or distribute your business cards. You should always carry your business card wherever you're going. You're going to attend a marriage, you're going to the court, wherever you're going, you should have your business cards with you so that you can tell the person that you're a lawyer, right? And lawyer ऐसी चीज है, कहीं पे भी जाओगे ना, they will have legal issues and stuff, so talk to them about that. Updating on your Facebook, you should have that. Okay, you are an advocate on Facebook. There are a lot many people who don't do that, कि show off है सब कुछ है, नहीं. You should update so that people know, so that when they are in a problem, they are facing a legal issue, they think, oh, that person I know that person, I can talk to that person, right? Having a LinkedIn account. Now, there are a lot many people in India, they don't have their LinkedIn accounts, but you should have your LinkedIn accounts. And if you want me to do a very detailed video about LinkedIn, I can do that also. Please leave in the comment section that you want me to do that. Everyone should know that you are a lawyer, right? It should be there. I mean, you should start the topic. Okay, what do you do? I'm a lawyer. Like, you should ask them what they are doing and you should tell yours. So everyone should know that you are an advocate. ये तो पता होना चाहिए हर किसी को. Meet new people wherever you think that you can socialize. Never miss that opportunity. Go out and meet new people. Join clubs. Now with clubs, there's so many clubs, out in the city. The book reading clubs, there are public speaking clubs. Go to such clubs because you make your contacts out there. Attend bar association meetings so that people know. Now, how you can turn this bar association meeting into a networking thing, that I would be discussing in the coming slides. If you know from your law student days that you want to go for litigation or you want to join a corporate firm or a legal firm or whatever, you need to make sure that you have the first hand experience. You need to have the first hand experience. So internships, not to, now there are a lot many of you as law students who might not be knowing कि हमें करना क्या है, लॉ की कितनी फील्ड्स हैं, राइट? तो आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपको क्या करना है. तो क्या करना चाहिए? आपको इंटर्नशिप्स करनी चाहिए, आपको एक्सप्लोर करनी है डिफरेंट फील्ड्स so that you know what is there in every field. There's so many people who say we want to go for litigation, but जब वो litigation देखते हैं वो कहते हैं नहीं हमें तो law firm join करनी है. कोई होते हैं वो कहते हैं हमें law firm join करनी है, but then they go for litigation. It's how they get to know through internships. Helps in networking. Yes, internship is a very good way to build your contacts, to build your networking. Gives you first hand experience. You get to know what are the skills that you have and which are the skills that you need to acquire, right? अब आप कहोगे हर चीज में बहुत सारी skills चाहिए होती है, कुछ आपके पास होती हैं और कुछ आप एक्वायर करते हो. जब आप इंटर्नशिप करते हो तो आपको पता चलती है कि कौन सी आपके पास है, कौन सी नहीं है. तो जो नहीं है वो आप एक्वायर कर सकते हो, राइट? बी एन इंसाइक्लोपीडिया ऑफ लॉ. नाउ आई टोल्ड यू दैट जब आप सोशलाइज कर रहे हो लोग आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे कि हम ये प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, हम ये फेस कर रहे हैं. नॉर्मली जो बहुत कॉमन लॉज होते हैं वो है चेक बाउंस का केस होता है लोगों का, मैट्रिमोनियल डिस्प्यूट्स होते हैं, ठीक है ना, बिजनेस रिलेटेड क्वेरीज होती हैं, कंपनी लॉ रिलेटेड क्वेरीज होती हैं. तो इफ यू आर एन इंसाइक्लोपीडिया ऑफ लॉ, इंसाइक्लोपीडिया बनना कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड बेयर एक्ट्स एंड यू माइट थिंक दैट डिफिकल्ट, बट वी हैव डन अ वीडियो ऑन दिस ऑलरेडी दैट हाउ यू शुड रीड बेयर एक्ट्स. क्यों करी है? सो दैट आपको पता रहे कि बेयर एक्ट्स हमने ऐसे पढ़ने हैं. अगर आप वैसे कॉमन बेसिक बेयर एक्ट्स पढ़ लोगे तो योर लाइफ वुड बी ईजी. यू विल बी एबल टू बिल्ड कॉन्टैक्ट्स ईजिली. क्या होगा when you will go to such meetings, such places, the person would say अरे यार the person was having good knowledge of law, let me call that person, right? From there you build your contacts. So reading basics of law and everything related to law. Yes, you have to stay updated. You need to know basics of law, that is IPCC, RPC, CPC. These are all basics of law. You should know about it, and if you want to know more, I am ready to do a video. Leave a comment down below. Reading their acts thoroughly. Yes, you need to read the Bear Acts very, very thoroughly. You should know what is there in that. Staying updated with regard to recent developments in law. Working on your personality. Leave an impression on whomsoever you meet. Now, advocates tend to have a very nice personality, right? I am not saying that you need to look like a decorated gift. No, I'm saying that you should be looking presentable, right? You should be dressed well. You should know how to communicate. For that, see our video, watch our video, listen to our videos wherein we are asking you how to speak in good English, or even not in English. If you're talking in any other language, you need to be confident. You need to be confident while talking. You need to be well dressed. You need to be dressed in accordance to the occasion. जो occasion demand कर रहा है उसके हिसाब से clothes, shoes, hair, everything should be well done. ये एक निशानी है advocates की, that they are always well dressed. Always मतलब when they are going out, they are well dressed, right? Choose your topics wisely for discussion. Now, whenever you go out, you need to look like a responsible person. You need to look like a responsible person. You need to show maturity. Your conversation should be a matured conversation. You should choose your topics wisely, right? जिसके बारे में आपको knowledge है उसके बारे में बात करो, right? So that you leave an impression on the person. You work on your legal skill. Again and again I say work on your your legal skills, you need to know how to draft, you need to know how to argue, how to talk, convincing arguments, ये सब आना चाहिए. Again, we have done so many videos on this. I am again and again tell you, these are the things that you need to know. Do whatever, go wherever, they're going to tell you the same thing which we are telling you. So work on that. Researching, right? It is very important that you work on your legal skills. If you think that you're weak in any of your legal skills, work on those. Choosing your first office wisely. This is a very important decision that you take in your life, right? Now why? Because when you choose an office, जो first office होता है, उनकी आप बहुत सारी habits pick करोगे, उनके बहुत सारे methods pick करोगे, बहुत सारे procedures pick करोगे कि कैसे filing होगी, कैसे clients attend होंगे. तो it is very important that your first office is a good office. Not only this, you have to see this also, that it is a good office. Plus you have to see that your boss is interested in giving you work, right? वो आपको एक clerk की तरह नहीं treat कर रहे हैं. See for good 2 months, if they start giving you work, well to go do. अगर नहीं देते हैं तो leave the office and join an office जहाँ पे आपको काम मिले. I have done a whole video on this, that how you should choose an office so that you know. तो वो वीडियो ज़रूर देखो, बहुत ज़रूरी वीडियोस हैं ये. इज शेयरिंग नॉलेज विद यू. योर बॉस इज शेयरिंग नॉलेज यू. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर इसको पता चल गया तो ओ द पर्सन इज अ कॉम्पिटिशन. बहुत सारे ऐसे भी होते हैं, तो वो अपने ऑफिस जाना ही नहीं है वहाँ पे. इज नॉट जेलस ऑफ यू, इंस्टेड वॉन्ट्स टू सी यू ग्रो. देयर इज अ गुरु एंड शिष्य रिलेशनशिप. देयर शुड बी अ टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट रिलेशनशिप बॉन्ड. बी पॉजिटिव एंड जस्ट थिंक दैट यू विल गेट केसेस. आई नो यू से आई यू क्रेजी, ऐसे कैसे केसेस आ जाएंगे. बट गाइज, एक बार पॉजिटिव होके तो देखिए. डोंट वरी, यू विल गेट वर्क, बट यू हैव टू वेट फॉर इट. यू हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव अबाउट इट एंड दिस वर्क्स. Just be positive. Just think that yes, it is going to work. Just focus on your goals and believe in yourself, and you will get a lot of work. You will get a good job. Whatever is your aim, you want to have your own practice, you want to work in that very big law firm, you want to work with anyone, you will get that thing if you focus on it and if you stay positive. That is what we believe at Logiri, right? So guys, this is it for today, and see you next Sunday, that is the coming Sunday, with part 2 of this very video, wherein we're going to talk more in detail about various other things that you should do as a lawyer, as a beginner lawyer. है कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा. चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना, ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके. आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पर मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ. वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ. तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सकें. वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ. आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द. बाय.